If I told you that you could earn money in just a few seconds of work, would you believe me? I was suspicious at first too. However, as you know, I am confident in my plans. We'll also be able to generate a considerable quantity of money every few seconds, and thanks to this new method. And the best part is that they accept a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers and a variety of other payment systems. So, for those who are just starting off, this is a fantastic chance for us because it is simple and can be repeated as many times as needed. Investing, affiliate marketing, social media following, and engagement. And YouTube videos aren't necessary either for this method to work. To make money online, all you have to do is follow a few simple steps. Before we talked about the platform itself, please stay with me until the end of this video. There are free money making tips and examples on how to use this method to make money on a regular basis because I'll be giving them to you. You'll have to wait until the finish or the end of the video to see what's going to happen. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that I'll be introducing to you today is called 5squid. Type in 5squid.com in the browser search bar and click enter. In recent years, 5squid has grown to become one of the most well-known and trusted online marketplaces for trading skill-based services. This company was founded in order to provide a secure platform where people from all over the world can trade on their skills, and savvy buyers can find great deals without compromising on quality. The company's goal has not changed ever since it was founded in 2011. It is making it simple for anyone to buy and sell services online, whether they are individuals looking to make extra money through the use of their skills, or businesses looking for cost-effective, short-term resources via an open and fair trading platform. First things first, I want you to register in 5squid to be able to enjoy the website fully. Click the join button right here and you will be directed to a new page which will require you to put in your email address. You can register using your Google or Facebook account. Then click continue, and afterwards you should also enter your username and your password. And after that, click join, and there you go, you're good to go. As we continue further browsing the website, you'll note that a variety of people are offering a variety of services. A number of people have offered their services to make voiceovers, write articles, and even conduct photo editing in Photoshop. There are numerous services available here. Now I want you to click on these three lines that are found next to the search bar on the 5squid. This is the site's category bar, and this section will introduce you to a number of topics in which you can make money online. However, I'm going to show you a new keyword that has never been used before, and it's referred to you, and this is your message on. This is a completely new term supplied by 5squid where you can earn money without putting any effort on your part. Now type in the search bar and click enter. After that, you will be presented with a list of services from across the world as seen here. This Your Message On service is a type of service where you will be the one to accept messages from clients and make it into something memorable. It may be making voice recordings of the message, putting the message on a video, or putting the message on design images. It's fantastic to see so many people from so many different countries contributing their time and resources. If we look at these services, we notice that they're always profitable, which is exactly what we're looking for. Now, I'll give you an example of what I mean. Simply click on this service right here to be sent to this website where you can read about the service provider and the service that he or she wishes to provide. The vast majority of these businesses will pay you from €5 to about €50. 5squid, on the other hand, deducts a processing fee from each order that you receive. For orders between €5 and €15 that are successfully delivered, the business deducts a 20% fee. To give you an example, for every €5 order that is successfully delivered, the seller's account will be credited with €4 or the equivalent. If you would like to know more information on the company's commission on sales, you may access the FAQ section by clicking on these three dots right here and then click on the FAQs button. However, you would still be able to receive a reasonable amount after these deductions. But don't worry, you do not have to create any videos, graphics, or content in order to apply this method, because I want it to be as simple as possible for you that I can help you quickly earn money online. A simple tap on your finger will bring in money thanks to this automated technique. Sounds easy, right? You'll get paid quickly through PayPal or any other payment method that you choose. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. As previously said, using your message on service, you will be the one who receives messages from customers and transforms them into something special. In some cases, it could be voice recording of the message, placing the message on video, or an image that shows the message. Now, I'll basically introduce you to a new website that will assist you in entering any text you desire into the template that you've chosen. This is a fantastic service that many people are taking advantage of. Let's have a look at headtomeal.com. This should be entered into your browser, and using the website, you will be able to sell your service to potential customers in the Your Message On category. Headtomeal.com offers 3 dynamic images: Einstein chalkboard, Uncle Sam, and Quaker haha. These images are the ones that you will sell on 5 Squid. Here's an example to show you what I mean. Select Einstein from the options. Here you'll be able to change and edit what's written on Einstein's chalkboard, which is right here. And moreover, as you can see in the large box with the text below, it may now be edited and changed to suit your needs. Let's say, enter in "My channel is amazing, please subscribe now." After that, simply click on the change image option to have it updated. And there you have it. This device had the ability to completely change what was written on the board in a matter of seconds. It is completely hassle-free. If you want to save the image, you may do so by right-clicking it and selecting Save As. If you're using a phone, you may simply take a screenshot of the image and transmit it to your computer. When it comes to editing the images of Uncle Sam and Quaker, the identical procedure will be followed. Now that you have the image based on your customer's request, you may go back to 5 Squid and send out their orders. You can do this over and over again. Lastly, because I'm in the mood to share, I'd like to suggest another site where you can make money with headtomeal.com. It is Fiverr.com, by the way. Fiverr is the same as 5 Squid. People looking for services can buy them from users. I'd like for you to type Einstein Your Message On to the search box on the website's homepage. As you can see, just a small number of people have attempted to market this service, despite the fact that a big number of people are interested in utilizing the service. You may also use Uncle Sam and Quaker for this. What I strongly suggest is that you should offer your service to both of these websites in order to maximize your earning potential and earn double as much money. It's easy to understand and enjoyable to do. With only a few minutes of effort on your part, you'll be able to earn a great deal of cash in a matter of seconds. There is no need for technical or creative skills, and all that is necessary is the use of Head2Meal platform and the alteration of the text to meet the needs of your client. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.